Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's bathroom remodel, we removed a large soaker tub and replaced it with a large walk-in shower. We also removed a linen closet and replaced it with a linen cabinet that matched the vanity. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the bathroom looks like prior to demolition. We started demo by removing the walls that separated the toilet from the rest of the bathroom. It's a few days later and the closet, toilet room, vanity, and bathtub have all been removed. The new shower area has been framed in. The plumbing and electric rough-in has occurred and the drywall has been hung. The shower tile is being installed. We use Marazzi Vessel Stone Sand 10x20 in a staggered pattern with a 13-inch band of Vessel Stone Diamond Mosaic and trim bands of American Olean Fusion Cado Cado as an accent around the shower. For the shower floor, we installed Marazzi Vessel Stone Sand 2x2 Mosaic. For the bathroom floor tile, we installed 13x13 Marazzi Vessel Stone Sand in a diagonal pattern. The vanity and linen cabinet we installed was Waypoint 660R Maple Auburn Glaze. The vanity countertop, seat in the shower, sill, and wall caps are all Cambria Canterbury with bullnose edges. Here is the completed bathroom. We love this massive shower with no door. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.